So now I'm gonna oil brush my mold just to make sure that during baking they don't stick. You can use butter, refined butter. It's all good. All right. One more. So this one is 8 inch and that one is 12 inch. That'll do. Should be good enough. And that's my rolling pin. Uh, it works fine. Alrighty. There's anything that I need to. No, that's all I got. So now it's just a waiting game because my dough is in the fermentation stage. Then it will go to makeup stage, then proofing stage, then into the oven. Alrighty, so let's wait. And when my dough is done, I'll show you how it looks and we'll start rolling. So that's my dough. As you can see that it has doubled in size and that's a full rise of my dough. And technically, I can work on it now, but there's another stage left on my dough. So I think we can go ahead and wait just a little more time to complete the book recipe, book way of doing things, right? So you see, it's very soft. And pizza will turn out really good. Looks beautiful. All right, we're gonna leave it for 30 more minutes and wait for another full rise. Okay, so you have to have you should at least have two rises of your dough. Okay, if you want quality product. So we had fermentation stage, and now we're gonna have makeup stage, then proofing, then baking. So one more rise. I'm gonna cover it and put it aside. Welcome back. So as you can see that my dough looks really nice. Look at the shine and the smooth texture that I have on my dough. So that's how much I'm gonna use for my 12-inch mold. Let me make it slow. See. Excellent.